Now, here's a question for you. Is it true that there is a relationship between multiplication and division in relation to like and unlike signs, as there were a relationship between addition and subtraction when we talk about like and unlike signs? It is true. So let us talk about division and multiplication in relation to like signs and unlike signs. So let's look at two situations where we have like signs. All right. So we have a negative multiplied by a negative is equal to, and then we have a positive multiplied by a positive is equal to. So let me put the answer here, and then we're going to talk about the reason for it. So a negative times a negative, it's a positive, all right? And a positive times a positive, it is a positive. So what is the relation there? What's happening there? What is that saying is that when we are multiplying same signs, as in two negatives or two positive, the result is always positive. Good. Now let's look at two other scenarios. We have a negative multiplied by a positive. What is that equal to? And then we have a positive multiplied by a negative. What is that equal to? Now look at this answer here. Negative times a positive, it's a negative. Positive times a negative, it's a negative. Now, what is that saying? It means now when we are multiplying unlike signs in multiplication, we tend to have the answer being negative. So anytime we are multiplying different signs, the answer will always be negative, as in negative times a positive, negative, positive times a negative, negative. It doesn't matter which sign comes first. Once we are multiplying different signs, the answer will be negative. But once we are multiplying same signs, the answer is positive. Now, we are not going to talk about division, mainly because multiplication rule applies the same with division. So if we're dividing same signs, the answer is going to be positive. If we're dividing unlike signs, the answer is going to be negative. All right, stay tuned for my next video.